Hi class, I wanted to talk about Project 1, and just to make sure you're getting off on the right start here. For the projects, they're used to get the review started for the exams, and Project 1 is used to help us get going for Exam 1. And you're just given a little bit of information in the projects, and it says here that you are thinking you have to spend about $20 for one of the popular brands, so you decide to go on the internet and look up some prices. And then here's the prices of the men's fragrances that you look up. And then once you get these prices here, you're going to use those to answer the question. So the project itself is basically just answering these questions here. And again, those questions are directed at this information here. Now, when you answer these questions, for example, it says, would the data in the table be considered a sample or a population? So these were terms that were in the chapters that you read. So hopefully you went through the chapters first, and then you can answer these. So this first one, again, you would have to decide, is this all of the possible men's fragrances out there and all of the possible prices, which would be our population, or do you think this is just some of those or part of the total ones that are out there, and that would be a sample? Again, number 2, state whether the variables are fragrance and price. Those are our 2 variables. Are they qualitative or quantitative? So you don't answer that they're both the same thing. You say, first of all, is fragrance, is it qualitative or quantitative? So that's these responses over here. And then you also answer, is price qualitative or quantitative? So are these numbers here, would they be considered qualitative or quantitative data? And so on. So for example, number 3, state whether each variable, again, fragrance and price, is discrete, continuous, or neither. So is men's fragrances, is that these discrete, are these continuous, or are they neither? The same with the numbers over here for price. Are these discrete, continuous, or neither? And again, for number 4, state the level of measurement for each. So this is some level of measurement here when you get these types of responses. And again, this is numeric. This is a different level of measurement. So you want to define those. Now for number 5, it says, what are the mean, median, and mode? So you actually have to take these data values and you're going to put them into your calculator. So when you go into your calculator, you're going to actually hit stat here, stat, and edit. So you're going to get on to enter, and then you could list here, L1, L2, L3. Now I'm going to clear this list. I'm going to highlight the L1, hit clear, enter, and now I've got a clean slate here. I can type those numbers in. So I'm going to type those in. And again, for example, the first price is $15.95, so I'd go 15.95, enter. And then it shows up and you go to the next one. Then you put in 4.25, enter, and so on. And so again, you put those in. And once you get those, you'll go into your descriptive statistics. Remember that's stat. Go over to calc, and then enter, and then you'll get your 1var stats for list 1. Now I only put a couple data values in, but you'll get something that look like this. So you'll use the calculator to compute the mean, median, and mode, your range, variance, and standard deviation, and so on. And then you'll talk about if you think it's skewed, comparing the mean and median. The percentile, you compute that. The box plots you'll get from the information in your calculator, and answer all these questions. So that should get you off to a good start on that first project.